Hi, my name is Doug Horner and I'm the General Sales Manager of Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted. I got to North Olmsted in July of 2016, so I'm coming up on 9 years here with the company. And I started my automotive career all the way back in 2010 with Mercedes-Benz, and except for a 9-month stint with Porsche, have been with this brand almost entirely. I love Mercedes-Benz and I love Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted. I'm from Cleveland originally, and when the opportunity came up to work here and move back home from Columbus, Ohio, where I went to Ohio State, it was an obvious opportunity for me and my family to move back to Cleveland, where both my wife and I are from originally. When I got here, I was the inventory manager, which meant that I helped to build and specify inventory to be built for the future. I handled dealer trades and relationships with other dealers around the country, and I have been able to forge a lot of really fantastic and long-lasting relationships with other stores around the country, which comes in helpful for a brand like Mercedes-Benz, where these cars are so customizable and specific that it's not uncommon for you to have to look outside of your own inventory to find the perfect match for a client. If you've made it to this video, then one of two things are true. Either you're interested in getting to know me a little bit more, or you've gone to our website, which is www.mbzno.com, and you've said, I would like to work with Doug Horner and the team. And if you're giving us that opportunity, let me start by saying thank you so much. We greatly appreciate it, and we look forward to making this the most seamless and easy car buying experience that you've ever had. Now, how do we do that? Well, we really pride ourselves on being as straightforward, easy, and transparent to work with as any dealership in the country. We believe that putting the relationship first and being relationship focused is going to be much more valuable for us and you in the long run than it is to focus on how much money we can make selling a car today and having a very short-term or short-sighted mindset. So what that means is that we're going to give you our best price right up front. We moved to that model officially last year, and what that means is that the market research we do every day on both new cars and pre-owned cars is to determine, based on the market, how do we need to be priced so that we are ultra aggressive and you are getting an amazing deal that you don't have to negotiate for, and that based on the color, equipment, condition, and miles of the used car that you're buying, or the model, the color, equipment of the new car that you're buying, that you are getting an amazing price on that vehicle without having to lift a finger or argue for it. See, we believe that most people truly don't love or even like to negotiate. The problem with negotiating, as most car dealerships will do, is that you can never truly be sure, did I get a good deal, and am I paying more or less than the next person that walks through the door and expresses interest on that same car? Well, with us, no matter who walks through the door, they're going to get the same best price right up front. The only difference is going to be potential various incentives that you may or may not qualify for, and that's why we're going to ask you a couple of questions, potentially about where you work or organizations that you might be members of, or if you're a business owner, etc., because we want to save you as much money as we possibly can. That's money that Mercedes-Benz is going to give you at no cost to the dealership, so we want to make sure that you're going to have it. Now, maybe you're not local to us here in Cleveland, Ohio. Maybe you're out of state and you have some apprehensions or some questions about what it means to buy a car out of state. Well, we do this every day. 50% or more of our business is done with clients that don't live here in Cleveland or even in Ohio, and we are experts at handling that for you. So we will go through the process with you step by step. We'll walk you through exactly how it's going to go. We can handle your trade-in even if it isn't here. We're going to ask you a lot of questions about it so that we can get you the most accurate value, and we can handle the process completely remotely. So unlike a traditional car dealership, which might insist that you come into the store to get numbers or to be able to buy a car, we are going to meet you where you are. If you want to come in and visit with us and test drive and see the cars in person, by all means, we would love to have you. If you want to do it all from the comfort of work or home, by all means, we can do that as well. We will arrange transportation with third-party shipping companies to bring you your new car right to your driveway or to your place of business, and we will also do the same to get your trade-in, if you have one, back here to us. So We will make this as seamless as possible. And again, you're not going to have to worry about the pricing because it's already done. The only thing that we have to do is pick out the right car, whichever it might be. A couple other things that make us different from most car dealerships. Our sales team here is paid on a volume-based pay plan, which means they are not paid traditional commissions. You see, traditional car dealership commission plans for sales are taking the profit that is made in a deal and paying a percentage to the salesperson. The problem that we see with that model is that we believe it's outdated and it doesn't put the best interest of the consumer in mind, because we don't want there to be a situation where a salesperson might be trying to get you to buy this car versus that car because this car pays them more than this one does. Therefore, no matter what they sell, no matter how expensive or inexpensive it is, their commission will be the same. It's a flat amount that does not vary based on whether the store makes money or loses money. The reason that I tell you that is that we want you to shop with total confidence. We don't want you to ever believe that we're making a recommendation based on what is best for the salesperson or the store. All that we care about truly is that you get the best car for you. By sending your information in on this form below, you're going to be connecting with our BDC team, our internet team. They will be the first points of contact. They will reach out to you. They will collect a little bit of information. They will verify what it is that you're trying to accomplish. And then once we are ready to move to the sales team, you will be connected with one of our sales associates. Now, I, of course, will be involved just behind the scenes, based on the duties that I have here at the store. And all of the people that I am talking to on a daily basis, I don't have the ability to personally respond to every single inquiry that comes in. However, once you're working with the team, I will get involved. I'm happy to talk with you. That will help move things along. But I do want you to know that I will be involved, and I do appreciate the opportunity that you are giving us to earn your business. If you ever have any questions, you are free to go to our Meet the Staff page. My email is there. You can email me directly. I look forward to chatting with you, and I apologize for any delays in response. It certainly is better to reach out to me through my team in the store than it is to try to reach out to me through any social media platforms, because those are very difficult to keep track of. But I do really appreciate the fact that you are giving us the opportunity potentially to work with you. Whether you're in Ohio, California, New Hampshire, Florida, Texas, or anywhere in between, we look forward to making this the easiest car buying process that you've ever had. If you've never bought a car out of state before, that's okay. We will hold your hand through the process. We will make it as easy as we possibly can. So thank you again for giving myself and the team here at Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted the opportunity to work with you. One more point of clarification: while you are going to get an amazing price right up front, and I stand behind that, if you want to continue shopping all around the country and you have a very open timeline, there will always be a dealership that will do it out there for less. I don't ever want anyone to believe that what I'm saying is that we will be the least expensive option out there, because there will always be somebody that will sell it for less. Now, what I am saying is that it's going to be a really, really good deal, and you're going to get amazing service. That's what we pride ourselves on. If you are looking for the absolute lowest cost option in the country, that may or may not be us, but I just like to say that up front so that there is no disappointment later if you have a local dealer or another dealer that's doing it for similar money or less money. That is not what we hang our hat on. What we hang our hat on truly is being the best purchasing experience in the country, and we look forward to showing you what that's all about. So thank you so much again. My name is Doug. BenzsandBowties is my social media handle, and I really do look forward to working with you.